Hey boy, Vybz Kartel, you got dead. Me tell you, you got dead for everybody where you kill and everybody were dead. Kill over 45 people and get away with it, Vybz Kartel and your friend them. Cause you have a habit to make people body disappear.
A man of questionable character is hailed as a hero. They have an election to win, and he has a whole lot of influence and sway. We must win and win at all cost. When that decision was made to have that gentleman on the stage,
me say everything green, no do this and beat me. Oh man, I'll see it. Watch that. Everything green, no do this and beat me now. Do this and beat me. Labor right, and that me say, do this and beat me. Do this and beat me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we will look at a video of a man from UK or lives in UK who's Jamaican, who sends a threat to Vybz Kartel, saying he's going to be unalive and one bag of things. Also, Cliff Hughes gives his 2 cents on Vybz Kartel's appearance at the PNP conference last night. Obviously, he wasn't pleased with what he saw. But before we get into those clips, if it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. I really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, share your comments, and let's get into it. Yesterday, Vybz Kartel was at the PNP conference, and him and his lawyer and Chief Korean LLO showed up to, show that through whose side they're on, basically. And Cliff Hughes and some people were not pleased. So this is what Cliff Hughes had to say.
we've left it up, and therefore you got what you got yesterday at the PNP's conference. A man of questionable character is hailed as a hero, and by the calculation of Dayton Campbell and Mark Golding, they have an election to win, and he has a whole lot of influence and sway. Therefore, they're not comfortable with it. When you listen to Dayton Campbell and Angela Brown Burke struggling to justify it, but their calculation is, we must win and win at all cost. While you, can you imagine, just think about it, when that decision was made to have that gentleman on the stage, not in the audience, on the stage, who in the leadership of the PNP was courageous enough to stand up and say, no, not a backside? Who was courageous enough to do that? Huh? Where was Peter Bunting? Find that clip with Peter Bunting for me that speaks to that gentleman. Where were they? Yeah? We're joking. We're joking about her. Can you imagine? Just think about it.
Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. Now, I saw this video on TikTok where this man, he's sending a threat to Vybz Kartel, claiming Vybz Kartel murdered some of his family members, and he says that Vybz Kartel is going to get the same thing that's gonna happen to him. But don't take it from me. Listen to all the threats that he made. Check this out.
So like you don't kill off my family now. I use what you trick one side for help. We are gonna kill Shana them and kill Miss Majam and hang them and dash them body. So you tell me say I kill over 45 people and get away with it, Vybz Kartel and your friend them. You kill Shana Campbell Munchi with their Birmingham and her grandmother Miss Madge and dash them body too. Cause you have a habit to make people body disappear. So you disappear body man. Hey boy, Vybz Kartel you got dead. Me tell you, you got dead for everybody where you kill and everybody were dead. You say, I'm missing you, them living at 14 Effort Court, but one of them friend missing. You make one of them, you make Anna your niece, make one of them friend missing. along with other people I work with, I pay for that Vybz Kartel. Me I bring you down. And all your family better get them lawyer and go to the police station right now and talk the truth. Cause me I go destroy the whole of them. All of them run God's Spain with the money. I run God's Spain on a fake visa. And take visa from England and run God's Spain go hide way. Me I bring them back come here. I bring them go Jamaica. Cause me I destroy you. I know say you are gonna try kill Shana, try to dash her body and dash her mismatch body. Cause that's your habit. Kill people and dash them body and hide them body. Me and your Vybz Kartel. You gotta pay your friend Shensia no and Spice no.
Anyways, guys, the angel says if she didn't have Vybz Kartel show, if she don't get called out for the on the show, it can't keep. She said she and Kartel have the song, you know, your baby father, yeah. She said she not see woman watch nothing. She half dead it, but check out the clip, yeah.
To come here, have one of the biggest female song them we ever do. Baby father.
You know,
so for Kartel at me at so.
So you think the Kartel for call out right now, are you sure?
What you say?
For call out, I'm sure.
It's supposed to call me out. Kartel supposed to call me out. Is a show that can't go on.
Why Kartel show can't go on if you not call you out? How did you clear this? So if Kartel call you out,
It can't keep.
this bag of money where Joe them pay and this bag of promotion that we are going, it can't keep if you don't get called out. Angel.
Just stress out.
Somebody talk
I stress out.
Somebody talk to Angel for me. So Angel, another question. You get called if you say that on the show?
I have to for the show. I have to for me. I know who get called.
I have to watch the show at home.
You want to talk to? You want to talk? Why? What's crazy? You say we are Kartel about our biggest song. It's not gonna look good. It just not gonna look good.
Well, listen, Angel for show up at Kartel show. Let me know in the comment section. Now, I saw this clip on CVN TV post on Instagram mentioning that birth percentage is low. The birth percentage is low. I mean, nobody now breed because we don't want broke. We are suffer already. If we have one or two pitney, we don't want them. But you check out the video.
Is where it was 4.5 to now we are at a replacement level of 1.9. The thing is that for us to replace the population, that chosen figure is 2.1. So we are below currently replacement level fertility rates. Generally speaking, the fall in birth rates tend to lag the fertility rate. And the reason behind this is that for somebody to be considered as part of a total fertility rate, you have to get to reproductive age, which is age 15 years. So it's being born today is 15 years from now that you are now numbered among the fertility rate.
Right.
So it means therefore you can have growth or increased population growth despite a low fertility rate.
Yes.
What we are seeing in Jamaica is the reverse. Our birth rates have been trending down over the last 24 years because of very effective public
Family planning.
campaigns from too better than too many. It has worked very well, right? So I'm not here to cause anxiety or fear mongering among our Jamaican women or men, but just to recognize that we have a responsibility to protect humanity.
Yes.
We need to ensure that come 50 years from now, or by the end of the century, where it's now estimated that the total fertility rate worldwide will fall even further to 1.6. There are countries like China and Japan, where this is, and South Korea, where this is becoming a serious problem, because what happened is that in China they had a one-child policy and basically eliminated all the females.
That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. And if you haven't done so yet, please leave a like on this video. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.